Good afternoon to the Congo community all over the world. You are welcome once again to Freedom for Humanity. I'm doing this short broadcast to show and to enlighten for as many who wants to know how to make payments, either with crypto, with either of the cryptos. Now log into your Congo card back office as seen in my screen. Now let's go to account. Click on account, then go to account again, click your account, then click on your account again, and if it bring you to this page, then you scroll down, and you when you get to where is written make payment, click on make payments, allow it to load. Good. Now since you are paying for your personal account, there are two options here: pay for my account or pay for a different account. I am paying for my personal account, so it is already dotted, which is highlighted. So then you click on continue. So after that, you come here to look at your account informations. Come down like this. Now, then the next thing you are being asked, scroll down, is the number of months you want to pay for. If you want to pay for a year, a month, 2 months, 3 months, or a year, you click on it. Now, then you select method of payment. I want to what the payment. Now, method of payment. The available method of payment for now, as shown here, is payment with crypto, Bitcoin Cash, and payment with crypto, Litecoin. So whichever one you want to use, I think being there's Ethereum, you also click on Ethereum, but there's no Ethereum or BTC, which is Bitcoin, for such payment of a month payment. So if it's crypto with BCH, you click on BC, which is Bitcoin Cash, click on it, and it should show. Then you click on continue. Then after that, you scroll down. That's already showing you what you want to make payment for, like this. Then you read the terms and condition. Then you check the agreement box that you agree with all that has been stated above. Check it like this. Then after checking, it will bring you the payment address. Without checking and agree to the terms above, the payment request button will not pop up. So for that, then you click on request for payment address, allow it. Good. Then here is payment address. Then you click on this to copy the the the, the Bitcoin Cash wallet and paste on your wallet to send out. And at the same time again, you come down again and also click to copy the value to be sent. Click on the value to be sent. Then you paste it on your browser, on your wallet to use to make the transaction. Then send off you go. You are done with everything that has to do with making payment from your own side. So it's now depend on the wallet you are using for payment. But meanwhile, look at this. As of today, presently now, for payment status, we don't have Ethereum, we don't have Bitcoin and Ethereum available for anything less than 16 grains. So if you are making a month payment, you can't use Ethereum or Bitcoin. If you are making payment for 2 months and above, then the Bitcoin and Ethereum payment will be available. So payment for Bitcoin and Ethereum start from 16 grace, which is payment for 2 months and above. But for a month, you can use Bitcoin Cash, Litecoin, or payment in grains. So I hope this is very helpful to as many who wants to learn and to understand how to make payment with Bitcoins or with grains. Thank you very much. I encourage everyone always and try and learn to what to make your program fee payment. Thank you. Bye for now.